So each does its shares of work intelligently. See, all of them does their work very intelligently. They're very intelligent, they know their work, they don't interfere in each other's work, and they do their work very, very wisely, okay? And bravely, they're very brave, they do their work bravely. And never fights with other members of the group. They never fight with each other. See, when everybody is clear with their work, what they have to do, so what's the need of fighting? Everybody knows, okay, this is my duty, so I have to do my duty. So they don't fight with each other. The queen is the member of the entire population of the colony. See, the queen is she is the member, she is the mother of all the population in the entire colony. She is the head. It lives for about 15 years. The queen lives for 15 years. It has a pair of wings. Only the queen has pair of wings. Okay. But bites them off after its wedding flying. See, it bites them off after its wedding flight. Wedding flights, okay. See, when it gets, you can say it gets married, or it gets in contact with a female ant, so it bites its bites its wings, okay. The flight takes place on a hot summer day. Takes place on a hot summer day. The queen leaves the nest and goes out to meet a male ant. It leaves the nest and it goes out to meet a male ant or drone high up in the air, flying high, because that time she has wings, so she goes up high, flying in the air. On its return to earth, it gets rid of its wings. See, after it comes down, it gets rid of its wings. It bites its wings and they are gone. And then does nothing but lays eggs. And after that, what she does, she only lays eggs. Eggs hatch and grubs come out. When the eggs hatch, they break. Eggs break, and what comes out are the grubs. Soldier guards them. The soldiers are there. They always guard the grubs, so that the other animals, they do not attack the grubs. Grubs, they don't know how to fight, so they are not, they're very young. They are not even walking or anything. They are still in a cocoon type. Workers feed and clean them. The workers are there, their duty is to feed them and clean them, and also carry them about daily for airings. They carry the grubs, you can see here, in the diagram. They carry them and for airing, for fresh air, then for some exercise and for some sunshine. 2 or 3 weeks later, grubs become cocoon and lie without food or activities for 3 weeks. So now then they become cocoon and they just lie down without any activity or without any food for 3 weeks, okay, or even more. Then the cocoons break and perfect ants appear. When the cocoons break, perfect ants comes out. The perfect ant, so ant that we have seen, it comes out. Now it's time for teaching and training. Now when the small grubs come out, so it's time for teaching them. So like how babies are there, like how we were born, small babies were born, so our mother used to teach us, okay, say mama, say papa, stand up, sit down, they make us walk. The same way the ants are also being trained. Now ants learn their duties from old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. So the big ants are there, whom already duties have been given, like workers are there, soldiers are there, builders are there, cleaners are there. So they teach the small ants what to do. After a few weeks training, these ants are ready to go out in the big world. When they are trained, so now they are ready to go out in the big world, that okay, now you're free, you go and you live on your own. An ant hill is a home not only for ants but also for some other creatures. See, the ant hill is not only home for ants, it is a home for other creatures also, like beetles. Beetles is it's a breed of insects. Lesser breeds of ant, another breed of ants, and the green fly. The green fly, you've seen, the house flies are black, but the big ones, they have green on them. Those are green flies. Why do ants want these alien creatures to live in their nest? Why they have called them alien creatures? Because they are not ants, but they are still living in their house, okay. So for several reasons. Some give a smell pleasant to ants. See, some of them, they give pleasant smell out of them. Its sense is very nice to the ants, like achhi khushboo, we can say, okay. Others give sweet juice. Some of them give sweet juice, and some are just pet for playing. So see, ants also have pet. Like we have pet, no, we have pet like dogs, cats. So like ants also have pets, playing like cats and dogs to human beings. So they are playing like cats and dogs to ants. The green fly is the ant cow. Green fly is the ant cow. It gives milk to the ant. The ant's train is to giving honeydews. Ant train it to give honeydews. The cow, no, ant, green fly, they train it to give honeydew, like milk. It's like milk for ants. Okay, with a touch of their antennas. This also they do with the touch of their antennas. They milk it just as we milk the cow. Okay, they also milk it just like we milk to the cow. Have humans learned as much as ants have? Perhaps they have, but they haven't put their learning to good use. See, what we have we ever learned anything from the ants? Yes, we have learned, but we have not put it into the good use. See, humans are very intelligent, but we don't put our intelligence in a good way. We always try to put it in a negative way. But ants, they have learned also, and they have put it in a good way also. Okay, they may still learn a few things from this tiny teacher. We still have many things to learn from the tiny teacher. Hard work, they are very hardworking. Ants are really super hardworking. Sense of duty, they know their duty very well and they perform their duty very nicely. And discipline, they are very disciplined. You see ants walking in a straight line, they will never walk like cows and dogs here and there. They are always walk in a straight line. Cleanliness, ants keep their ant hills very clean. They keep themselves also very clean. Care for their young ones, they always take care for their young ones. They are very protective towards their young ones. They will never harm them. They will protect them from the other insects also. And above all, a firm loyalty. Ants are very loyal, like we have dogs, no, loyal. The ants are also very loyal to the land where they live. The ant hill, no, where the ants live, they are very loyal towards their ant hill. Okay, so we have to learn many things from the ant. Okay, see, we have to learn discipline, we have to learn cleanliness, we have to learn how to take care of our young ones, we have to be loyal towards everything. Okay, this is the story of the tiny teacher. I hope you enjoy this chapter. Thank you.